Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys, and we're making this video because many of you actually requested it in the comment section below. If you have engine oil inside your spark plug holes, on top of the spark plugs, or inside the spark plug well, stay with us. We'll explain the number one reason that causes that and how you can easily fix it. Now, before we start, guys, let me tell you all the tools and parts that we use, or if you need to buy anything, we'll share the links in the description of the video below. You can see where we that way we get all our tools and parts from. Number two, guys, every single car that we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Specifically because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information to you. So now let's explain, guys, okay, what can cause that and how it can affect your engine. Doesn't matter if you have a 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder gasoline engine. You work only on gasoline engines because that's when you have spark plugs. If you have engine oil in the spark plug holes, it will apply to all of that. For instance, that engine right here that we have, guys, it actually has been used in BMW X3, 3 Series, 5 Series, multiple BMWs. But even if you have a 4-cylinder engine, the procedure will be the same. So let's say you remove your ignition coil, okay, you remove ignition coil and bam, you have oil on your ignition coil, guys. Or you're about to pull the spark plug, you put the socket in and you can see inside the spark plug holes, okay, you have quite a bit of engine oil. What can cause that, guys? Okay, you can see there is one gasket right here, but make sure until the end, stay until the end. I want to share something else with you. That gasket right here, guys, okay, that gasket right there is the one responsible for that. This is the gasket between the valve cover and the cylinder head. Now, guys, where is that gasket? Okay, if you look at it, this is your gasket, this is your valve cover gasket, okay, and that's what we have here. And this gasket specifically, okay, you can see it has, this is a 6-cylinder engine, so the middle part of the gasket, this thing right here, is for your spark plugs. So it prevents engine oil going between the valve cover and the cylinder head and end up in the spark plug wells. Because if you guys keep getting engine oil inside, it can get to the point that if you have too much engine oil, the signal from your ignition coil to actually, guys, okay, your spark plug, okay, that electric signal may get lost. It may go to the side and it can cause misfires, guys, and as a result, okay, your car may be misfiring, you may get engine light on, and it could be something that's a little bit hard to diagnose sometimes, but it's just engine oil in the spark plug wells. Now, you can see we have other leak right here that we have a video that explains how to fix oil leak, okay, and what causes oil leak in the valve cover. But if it's inside the spark plug wells, it's a valve cover gasket, guys, most likely causing that. So if you want to see how to replace valve cover, especially on N52 engine or N54, the first generation X3, earlier generation, we have the videos on the channel. Check it out, how to replace valve cover gasket. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.